Welcome to watch today's fresh home. A former Milanese palace transformed into a contemporary apartment. In this impressive palazzo in the heart of Milan, Aurélie and Jean Canzoneri have instilled a gentle atmosphere. While respecting the original building, steeped in history, they bring to life their shared passion for art and interior design. One only has to enter the courtyard of this Milanese palace to grasp its splendor. Majestic camellias and sculptures, vestiges of an ancient time, hint at the interior of the palace, recently converted into apartments. One of them houses the Canzoneri family, Franco-Italian, who have been living in Milan for several years. Aurélie is a naturopath, Jean is a tech entrepreneur. Italian by birth, Jean Canzoneri was keen to pass on his dual culture to his children. And Italy has a strong culture of beauty, he explains.